guys, see, this is the construction is going on very rapidly in ARAS Heights, and we reached almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 floors is going on, and total this is a G+9 floor building. So the handover is Q4 2024. So don't miss the opportunity to invest in this project. So guys, this is a 2-bedroom apartment, show apartment in ARAS Heights. So when you enter the door, this is a main corridor. So just have a look. When you cross the corridor, so you have a living area. And behind this living area, you have a closed kitchen, which is fully equipped. So when we enter the kitchen, left side is a refrigerator, wash area, washing machine, stove oven. With the nice storage. When you come out from the kitchen, take a left. So a small corridor is there. Then in front of you, there is a master bedroom with the attached wash. Just have a look on it. This is a master bedroom. Smart home. There is a washroom. This is a storage area. The guy's size is very spacious for the master bedroom. So this is the washroom, attached washroom. When you get out from the master bedroom, left side there is a clean washroom is there, and right side there is a second bedroom. This is the second bedroom. Nice storage. So this is the construction is going on for the ARAS Heights, and it's you can see easily it's right exactly in front of the IMG word. That is the IMG word, and this is the mosque. This is the main road, which is it's a Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed road, right? And this is the mosque. When you take a right from that Majan entrance, just take a go straight, make a reverse U-turn there, and there is a second right. You will enter on this street, right? So this is the construction is going on for the ARAS Heights.